Well, you can see right now over my right shoulder, the eastern edge of this fire that started this morning, cause unknown, winds whipping up to 80 miles per hour. This neighborhood on the far eastern edge of the fire threatened. 1,100 people evacuated. We have seen engines go in there to stand in structure protection for these homes. We have also had the evacuation of a high school, a middle school, several elementary schools. You can tell by the color of that smoke, Brooke, it is dark, and this fire largely unchecked right there. They're unable to get water on this fire right now from the air because of these absolutely sinister winds that are whipping up here behind these housing developments. The winds right now, believe it or not, this is sort of calm. Earlier, we were almost blown over. When you're talking about 80 miles per hour, there's no way that you can fly a helicopter or a fixed-wing aircraft in here to drop that purple material, Phosgene, on the flames. So they're hoping the winds will die down and they'll be able to begin fighting this fire by air. They say 200 acres have burned. That is not a very updated number. That is sure to change. For right now, we have not seen any houses burn, and they are now hoping, as I said before, to try to get a break in the wind so they can get some help up in the air, Brooke.
As you mentioned, school evacuations, home evacuations, got two boxes on the screen, and you can see really the smoke. And I can even hear, Paul, the wind picking up in your microphone. So talk about a challenge if you can't attack this thing from the air with the water, with those 80-mile-an-hour winds. At what point can they fly? Do we know?
They haven't given us a specific number on those winds. I think they probably need that to be cut in at least half. Obviously, this puts all the firefighting efforts right now on these ground crews. Some of them, of course, are with the Forest Service, and they're very used to digging in these situations and getting in there with those brush trucks that have the ability to pump out water. Nonetheless, an extremely difficult task. Mutual aid pouring in from all over Southern California. They were well aware that there's a high fire danger today. And as you know, this horrific drought has just added to this problem. All of this stuff behind me should be a lot greener in late April. Yes, you're saying, oh, well, it does look green to us, but this has been going on for such a long time. And so a lot of ground, and all this so-called fuel is just bone dry because we had so little rain. And that is obviously adding to the fire and making it a lot easier for it to advance. And as I said, they're trying to get crews from all over the region in here to help these people out in the Forest Service and in the city of Rancho Cucamonga, Brooke.